Sa video na to, let's talk about paano mo malalaman kung she's into you. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, bibigyan ko kayo ng clear sign or clear flag that she's interested with you. So, bakit ba kailangan natin malaman to? Because ayaw naman natin na magkaroon ng mixed signals, yung tipong gusto niyo ba ako o hindi, yung mga ganon. And ayaw naman natin magkaroon ng lack of engagement, yung tipong gusto ko na pala niya pero hindi mo siya pinupursue. And number 3, ayaw natin magkaroon ng uncertainty. Again, yung hindi mo alam, nalilito ka. So with this one, pag kasi lagi kang uncertain, lagi kanyang binibigyan ng mixed signals, and also hindi mo siya masyadong pinupursue dahil nga feeling mo hindi kanya gusto, is number 1 is you'll magsasayang ka ng oras. So hindi lang oras mo pero oras niya. Again, our time is very valuable for us men. Kasi time and energy, yun yung pinakamagandang asset natin. Because we are born to conquer things and we need time and energy for that one. And meron tayo noon in order for us to, yun nga, to conquer things and not to chase girls. Okay? Number 2 is you'll miss out a lot of potential connections kung hindi mo alam kung paano i-gauge yung interest level niya sa'yo. Number 3 is you'll feel confused and frustrated. Again, iniiwasan natin dito yung magsayang ka ng oras. Kasi kapag once na ma-feel mo confused ka and also once na ma-feel mo naiinis ka, then your energy and time will be on to waste. So, this is important because this sign can help you to navigate your dating life. So, mag-gauge mo na agad, interesado ba ito sa akin or hindi? So, the number 1 sign that you should check kung interesado sa'yo yung girl is kapag nire-reciprocate rin siya ng time and energy sa'yo. So, hindi lang ikaw yung puro invest. For sure, ikaw muna yung mag-i-invest ng time and energy. Now, titingnan mo kung magre-reciprocate back ba siya ng time and energy niya. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw lang yung, for example, ikaw lang yung tanong ng tanong, ikaw lang yung may getting to know questions, pero siya hindi kanya gini-getting to know question. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya nire-reciprocate back yung energy. So, with that one, you know, you got what you need to know, low interest, move on to another next one. Ganun siya. So, with this one, you'll save time and energy sa dating mo. Number 2 is you'll pursue connection that are mutually interested. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ikaw yung may gusto, yung mutual, yung interest. Open for connection kayong both. Dalawa. Kasi kung ikaw lang yung habol ng habol, you will chase, man. And ayaw naman natin na you will chase. Sawa na tayo makipaghabulan, man. So, this time, we are pairing you to someone who's attracted to you. Kaya nga dapat ayusin mo rin yung sarili mo eh. Taasan mo yung sexual market value mo. So, in order for you to attract more high quality or high value women din. And number 3, you'll gain clarity and confidence sa mga interactions nyo. So, with this one, kapag nag-gauge mo na agad, ito, high interest to. Okay, sige. Invest pa tayo ng unting time and energy. Kapag hindi, ito, low interest to. So, okay. I'll save my time and energy. I'll look for someone na magre-reciprocate back. So, with that one, I hope makatulong to sa next interaction nyo with a girl. And that will help you gauge kung mag-i-invest ka pa ba ng time and energy sa kanya. So, yun lang. Let's go.